One of the most frequently asked questions I get as a Showit website designer is, how do you blog on Showit? If you use Showit and you choose to have a blog, you will write your blog's posts on WordPress. And this confuses a lot of people. I know when I was first looking into this platform, I had a lot of questions about this. Like, do I need hosting then like Bluehost or SiteGround? And designing in WordPress was really challenging for my clients. So will exclusively blogging there be any different? And how the heck do these platforms work together? So if you are wondering these things too, in this video, I am giving you a shared screen tutorial to really clear up some of the most frequently asked questions related to blogging on Showit. I'm Maureen from thecreativeimpact.com, where I help creative small business owners and entrepreneurs with strategic Showit website design, templates, and business coachings so that they can stand out, sell more, and stress way less about the tech and design in their business. If this sounds like information that you are interested in, then hit the subscribe button and check out the links in the show notes below to learn more about how I can best help you create an impact with your business. All right, how does blogging work on Showit? First, let me give you a high-level overview, and then we'll break it down into details. So Showit is a drag and drop design tool that allows you to create a clean and strategic website without the tech stress and overwhelm. WordPress is a content management tool. So you can design in WordPress, but when you use Showit, you are only writing blog posts in WordPress. You're not designing in WordPress at all. So let me share my screen with you to show you what I mean by this. Anytime you write a blog post in WordPress and hit publish, your Showit website is set up for you in a way that automatically pulls your new published blog post onto your Showit website. So when you're on your live site and you click your blog, your new blog post is automatically going to show up here within your blog role if you have it set up right. Now, if you purchase any of my Showit website templates, I set this all up for you, so you never have to worry about this. It's already connected. So as soon as you post your WordPress blog post, they're going to show up right on your blog role. Still confused? Let's head over to the back end of Showit to break this down even further. When you're in the back end of your Showit website template, you're going to see a section called blog templates. And you can see there's blog, single post, and page. Now, if you purchase a website template from me, these placeholders will already be in place, so you don't need to change a thing. So you can see right here, this blog one is set up for your blog role. Like I just showed you, when you post a new post, it's going to show up here. And I have it designed so that we have it for our first view, the second one, the third one, and so on. Now, if this looks confusing, again, don't worry about this. You don't have to touch any of this. I've done it all for you. When you publish your WordPress blog post, they automatically lay out the right way because I've designed it in the back. Now, the second thing you'll see down here when you are in your site under blog templates is single post. Now, this is just the design of how the post will lay out. Again, you don't have to worry about any of this. But here's where a lot of people go wrong. They see blog here in the back end of Showit, and naturally they think this is where they're supposed to go in and start writing their posts. But again, these templates right here, this is just laying out the design of how it's going to look on the live site. These are just placeholder elements that will pull information from your WordPress account, which Showit will set up for you on their servers. Still confused? Let's go another layer deeper. After you purchase a website template and you customize it to your liking and you're ready to go live, you're going to submit a request to Showit to set up your new blog or an existing blog that you want transferred over. Now, every one of my website templates comes with a step-by-step course that includes exactly how to submit this request when you are ready, so you don't have to worry about it. Then if you have chosen a subscription plan with a blog that's on the basic or the advanced plan of Showit, Showit then does all the hard work to connect everything for you on the back end. Turnaround times do vary, but I've seen anywhere from 1 to 4 days, depending on if you're starting a new blog or you're migrating one over. Then once you receive notification that your blog is set up, you can log into your blog by typing in your domain name and then adding that /WP-admin after that domain. So for example, you can see here, mine is thecreativeimpact.com /WP-admin. And we'll click enter. And what that's going to bring up is your new WordPress login. So you see, it does say WordPress, but it's also created with Showit. So you're going to log in with your same username and password as Showit. So let's click log in to get into the back end of WordPress here. Okay, now that you are logged into WordPress, how do you write your blog post? So I just want to show you this right now. There is going to be a lot of stuff on the left-hand side, and it can look intimidating. But since you are not designing in WordPress, you're only using WordPress to write blog posts, you only have to worry about this link that says posts. And then you're going to be in the back end here where you're going to type your title, and then you can just start typing your actual blog post. Now, I go into much more detail about how to write your blog post here in WordPress, how to add tags and categories, and the image that will come up in your blog roll when you publish a post. I provide all that in the Website Without Stress course that comes with each one of my website templates. So if you do purchase a website template from me, you'll get step-by-step instruction, not only on how to design within Showit, but also how to blog within WordPress. I also provide you with my top 10 plugins that you can add to your site to really improve your blog posts and marketing if you are on the advanced Showit plan, which allows you to add custom plugins. If you want the ins and outs of really how to create content, I'm talking like your headlines and how to dive deep into keyword research, that is a separate course that I offer called Content Creation Blueprint. But within the Website Without Stress course, we do go over exactly how to write your blog post within WordPress. Or if you don't want to start from scratch every time, I do offer my digital blog post templates where you just pick a template and then you click it and it populates it all here for you and you just plug in your information. I'll put a link to that in the show notes below. So again, once you publish your blog post in WordPress, it will be pulled onto your live site automatically right here within the blog. You won't see these posts within your design template on the back end of Showit. Again, you don't have to touch any of that blog stuff on the back end of Showit. You will just continue to see those placeholders within there that communicate with WordPress how the post should be laid out. So again, if you purchase a website template from me, you do not have to worry about setting any of this up yourself. It's already done for you. You simply go to your WordPress login that Showit gives you, write your blog post, hit publish when you're ready, and it will appear in the blog section of your website. Another question that comes up frequently when discussing Showit and blogging is, well, since I'm blogging on WordPress, does that mean that I need to pay for WordPress hosting too? And the answer is absolutely not. No, you do not need to pay for your own WordPress hosting through something like Bluehost or SiteGround. This is all covered for you within your Showit subscription, so there are no extra costs there. And let's lastly answer the question, is Showit once and for all good for blogging? And the answer is a big yes. WordPress is without a doubt the best blogging platform. And if you blog on Showit, you are actually using WordPress to write your blog posts. So you get the SEO and plugin benefits that only WordPress can offer with the ease of a drag and drop design editor within Showit. It's a complete win-win. Now, I hope that I have sufficiently answered the question of how do you blog on Showit and that you now have just a much better understanding of how it all works together. Be sure to check out the show notes below to learn more about my free Website Without Stress masterclass if you do not have a website yet, as well as information on my Showit website templates, my content creation course, and links to all the other things that I mentioned in this video. Keep creating and creating an impact on the world, and I'll see you in the next video.